Hey everyone. So everyone's been getting killed with this runtime environment error from Google. I'll zoom in here. So here's what it says. It literally tells us invalid argument, errors encountered validating runtime. Your runtime version for Node.js is past end of support. Please upgrade to the latest runtime version available, and then it stops your deployment. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Then our YAML file, so it actually has to be Ubuntu 22. Okay. Okay, so here, here. Wonderful. So it is now deploying, and that's how you fix that error. I know it's really annoying, so I want to help you guys fix it as soon as possible. There we go. So here's my bucket right here.